How to add a new editor access to your channel. To add a new editor, first open your YouTube Studio app. After that, on the top right corner, click on your channel icon. Now go to settings and then scroll down, and then here you will see permission. Just click on that. Now on the bottom you can see invite. Just click on that and then enter the new editor email. Now select the user roles. If you want to manage your YouTube channel, then click on manager, and if you want to add as editor, then you can select editor, or you can see other option. After that, on the bottom click on send invitation, and then again click on send, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.